Okay, now we have a question. 8% of x is 40. What's the value of x? According to the meaning of this sentence, we can write the equation like this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, here, 8% time x equal 40. And what is 8%? It's like this. Okay, so both sides solve this equation. It's very easy. Both sides we divide 8 uh 8%. Okay, so we do that. X equal 40 divide 8 over of 100 is 0 this. Is 0.08. Okay, we solve this. 40 times 100, and this 0.08 times 100. Problem. So it's 8. What problem? I don't know. Okay, so about this one, don't calculate. We can save some time. Or we don't need to use a calculator. So we can use just calculate by brain. So divide 8, denominator and numerator is 5. 5 times 100 is easy. That is 500. Okay, this is solution.